Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We are going to be working with this tile today. We're going to take a alcohol wipe and wipe it down. And then we're going to use a popsicle stick and find our center. And we are going to tack that down with a couple hot glue dots, nothing crazy because we're going to pop this back up in a second. Then I took some Mod Podge and I went around the cross and I Mod Podged the tile. And then I took this Dollar Tree faux leather and I cut it into different geometric shapes, and then I started placing it on the tile in the Mod Podge, just leaving spaces in between each piece. If your Mod Podge dries as you're going, just re-wet it and keep on trucking. Then I popped off the popsicle sticks, and now we see where our cross goes. And then we're going to cover the entire tile with a layer of Mod Podge so that our pieces stick down where they go and stay where they are supposed to be. We're going to give that a good dry. I did use a silicone spatula to kind of help with that as it bubbled and wanted to move around on me. That helped a lot. Once it's dry, we're going to take some scissors and we are going to cut off the excess around all the edges. And then we're going to take a black chalk paint and I'm going to cover the entire top and the sides. I left the back alone, but we're going to do the top and the sides. And I just did one layer. It's a chalk paint, so it has really good coverage. And then we gave that a good dry. Anywhere where the white tile was showing through, I just touched up and dried it as I went. I got out a couple different reds and blues, but we're only going to use the darker versions because once I got them on here, I really like the way that look. And we're going to put some wavy red lines through here and then a blue section, and then we're going to go between the red and put some white. Now this project is for 9/11, so I wanted something kind of broken. I did take a toothbrush and flick some white paint where the stars would be, but I wanted this kind of broken and torn and tattered and distressed looking flag. So then we take some silver leaf and we place our Mod Podge in our cross, and we take a brush and we place our silver leaf in there. We dry it and take a dry brush and go through the cross to clean it all up. And it shines so good, y'all. Then I took a Distress Oxide ink pad and a makeup brush, and I went through and kind of brought out some of the texture in that faux leather and all around the tile and between the pieces and all that good stuff, y'all. So here we have our pretty tile for 9/11. Always remember, never forget. I think this is beautiful, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.